Okay, there's a couple things we need to fix with the showings. I'm getting duplicate emails, and the sellers have complained because there's only one person getting notifications. So this is on Cedar Elm. We need to add a contact because there's only one person. So we also need to put John on here because he would like to receive information. Yeah, we want them to get the stuff right away. They'll get it by email. I asked him if they wanted a text. He hasn't responded yet about that. We do want the seller to be able to access the website, view the event journal, and that's it. Resend login email. Yeah, probably should do that. Okay, so email options. I just want them to get a weekly report. Right now they can do daily since it's early. Okay, and then we need to put, there's one other thing we need to do, 1 hour. And we need to put in here where the lockbox location needs to be front door. It does have an alarm, but it's not on, so we won't leave that one checked. Okay. Here has my phone number in here, and this isn't even the right one. Let's do my actual phone number because for stuff like this, I don't want to miss showings. And I unchecked the call. I just want texting. They can access the website. It was showing back. Okay. Front door. All right, so I'm going to save this. It's saving. And that's good. That's it.